Ever wondered what makes a heat exchanger truly efficient and reliable? It's not just the design, it's how every single tube is processed. This is our advanced tube forming system, built for precision, consistency, and real production demands. The process starts with automatic loading, keeping production continuous, stable, and operator-friendly. Less manual handling means fewer errors and higher productivity. As the tube moves into bending, control is everything. Every movement is optimized to prevent stress, deformation, or surface damage. Clean, consistent U-bends, exactly what high-performance systems demand. And our U-bending machine process features seamless integration, which not only boosts efficiency, but also minimizes human error. Check out these tube end forming results. They really show you how precise and fast our machine is. The connections come out strong and reliable, high accuracy, repeatable results, built to meet strict global standards, and that's exactly the core value our machine brings to you. From HVAC to automotive cooling, these tubes are at the core of critical systems. That's why precision bending, stable performance, and consistent quality are not optional. They're essential. At Bobo Machinery, we focus on one thing: delivering precision tube solutions for real industrial production. From material to finished part, we help you build with confidence.